What's going on, guys? Austin here, back with another video. Today's video will be a vlog of my I-75 trip, plus some other sprinkled in moments from the last month of January, which was filmed. This is day number 2 of uploading in February. Sorry it's a little bit later. I'll try to get the next videos up a little bit earlier. I was pretty busy today, but I finally got the video up before midnight. So this is video 2. It is also Groundhog Day today. Actually, a fun fact, the one where they film it, the groundhog actually didn't see its shadow. I think they were just making it as a joke because they didn't want more weeks of winter. Anyway, the beast at Kings Island saw its shadow, but the other one where the official one is, did see its shadow. So that means 6 more weeks of winter. So just want to throw it in here. Happy Groundhog Day and enjoy the video. Here's the map of the place. Looks like that was the original and they added that right there. We're back. Have a bar right there in the middle, laser tag, and a restaurant right over there. There's another 4D ride. Racing place. Pretty big go-kart. Pretty cool golf course over here. It's putt-putt with the waterfall all the way in the back. That is a nice golf course. And there it is. Coaster all the way in the back. Tsunami has got some cool light package. It's pretty neat. Pretty high, more taller than I expected. batting cages over there. They even have a big baseball right there. Here's the rest of the coaster. This angle is pretty cool. Alright, we're here with Hayden with Coaster Clubs Unite. Go subscribe. He's here at day 2 riding the coaster. Was it fun? Oh yeah. Yeah, we definitely had a good time on it. And yeah, check out their channel. I'll put a link down in the below. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you, yep. For the restaurant, they have all kinds of stuff. Pizza, salads, chicken tenders, all kinds of stuff. They have a Ferris wheel appetizer, and it comes with a free $10 game card. They have a hockey score electric board up there. All the games, the Maple Leafs at Oilers. It's pretty cool. Blackhawks canceled practice due to potential exposure to corona. Man, it's pretty cool though. The news headline shows scores. And more soccer scores. Looks like it shows any scores you want. Manchester City won 1-0 final. That's a pretty cool scoreboard right there. Just gives headlines. I-75, the one in Columbus. Soccer field, boats, coaster. It's over there, and drop tower right there. It's in the mall in Columbus. Gold Mine Heist, laser base. Also have a Ghostbusters game right there. Ghostbusters. Mini golf right there. Right. The coaster's on the 2nd floor, so we got to go upstairs for that. Up the escalator we go. It's a pretty big TV they got there. Going to the upstairs, they have more go-karts up here, all kinds of stuff. And there's the coaster right over there. Nuclear Rush coaster. It's got a pretty long line, more than the other coaster, definitely. Everybody wants to ride the coaster, it looks. Be a 20-minute wait at least. There's the front of it, Nuclear Rush coaster. So yeah, we're gonna take a ride on it. There's another entrance. The go-karts are over there. Another welcome site. There's multiple entrances, and here's the coaster. The line is all the way this long. Nuclear Rush. The coaster on the wall. The backdrop. Some of these theming signs right here. Danger, keep out.
You can see the floors if I zoom in here. It's kind of cracking. As this coaster goes, you can feel the ground shake around it. It's probably supposed to, but concrete's cracking right there. Mouse's radiation cleanup. There's no job too big for a mouse. That looks like the old Outpost 5 Son of Beast logo. They just copied and pasted it for here. All right, I'm gonna time how long it takes in between cycles, at least to clean it. This guy's gotta clean it all by himself, clean all these cars. So I'll keep you guys updated on the timer. It's about 2 minutes and 40 seconds in between cycles. Not too bad for one person, but I definitely expect to wait a little bit. I think we waited like 15-20 minutes, which isn't bad. We even got the I-75 logo on the front of the coaster right there. Go-karts right there. And over here we have this drop tower. From the bottom, goes all the way to the top here, second level. Two-story drop tower. They have mirrors right around there. Pretty cool. The go-kart entrance is all the way down there. That might be one of the biggest TVs. More like a screen jumbotron thing. Big for an indoor theme park. There it goes. Doesn't even wipe the right side of the window. We have some Knott's Berry Farm premium cookies. Some shortbread, raspberry. Not the boysenberry, I don't think, but probably tastes similar to the raspberry jelly out there in Knott's. Pretty cool. If you found this in the rest area. Look at that pizza, how many toppings are on it. Looks like it's like an old ride from an amusement park. They have it on lowest settings, like honeybee comb. It's going really slow. It's probably at its lowest setting. It's kind of cool though. Got some bears on. Those are like the old carts. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it's just designed like that, but looks like it though. Guess it moves. I thought it would speak, but I guess it's not. Pretty cool though. This is part of Kings Island's old monorail right here. This is the Jungle Gyms in Eastgate, but that was once upon a time at Kings Island. They put part of it at Eastgate, their second location, but just want to show that. I went to the other one, the main one, a couple of weeks ago, or last year sometime. Evan's playing Star Wars, shooting outside of Woven. So cool out there. Evan just told me to stop filming. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to this channel down below if you are new. Make sure you turn that notification bell on so you don't miss a post during January. Other than that, I'm Austin. I'm out. Peace.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.